So today I have a really juicy update regarding Workhorse and USPS contract. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and today we are going to talk about our favorite stock, Workhorse, and USPS contract. Yes, but again guys, this is a speculative news and this might not happen, but the main purpose of this video is to tell you guys that please have patience. If you are invested in Workhorse, then please hold the stock. Rest is up to you. It's your decision, it's your money. But if you would ask for my opinion, I would say have patience, let the stock will do its work. So I just wanted to give you this update, so the video will be quite short. And if you like this video, which I hope you really do, so please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please hit that subscribe button as well. Well, there's nothing to lose, right? Just one click. 2 clicks, okay, like and subscribe. So anyways, let's get on to the info. So guys, there is a speculative information out there, and let me repeat this, it's a speculation, okay? So from Roth Capital, who are quite a famous private investment banking company and have a great team of analysts, are predicting a positive outcome for Workhorse, and not with a $6 billion contract anymore, but with $8.1 billion contract. And according to them, they also say that Workhorse is the best fit to win this USPS contract. And indeed, because Workhorse is the only company in the three teams of bidders offering a fully electric delivery truck, which we have discussed many times, and it would appear to be the best aligned to reduce future maintenance cost for the postal service and make future fuel costs more predictable as well. And the best part of this news is that the results might come on October 13th. Now guys, like I mentioned this in the beginning of this video, that this is a speculative prediction. So it may or may not come out on this day. Also, there might be more than one winners, but I'm pretty sure that Workhorse will definitely get a good chunk from this contract, if not fully. But like I also mentioned guys, that one must have patience. If you're holding this stock, then have patience guys. This is a long-term hold stock. So let's say if the news comes out on this day and the results are in favor of Workhorse, then get ready to see huge returns coming. Now, apart from this positive news, there was a bit of negativity surrounding Workhorse, especially in these past 1 or 2 days, by one of the researchers named Fuzzy Panda, who actually claimed that Workhorse postal truck prototypes were plagued with problems and exceeded maximum cost guidelines. The firm also claimed fraud at Workhorse and said that this is even worse than Nikola. Now, guys, I don't consider this as a fraud, and this is, according to me, a bit of bullshit, because guys, Nikola's trucks were not used by any company. They were yet to produce the first truck. But on the other hand, Workhorse have already existing customers who are using trucks from Workhorse. So I really don't understand this claim. Anyways, it also said that Workhorse rolled a USPS prototype truck down a hill accidentally after their parking brake failed, and USPS driver to be hospitalized after jumping out of a runway vehicle, adding that it does not believe Workhorse will be awarded any share of USPS next generation development vehicle 3.6 billion contract, and that customers shut the door on Workhorse long ago. Now this is again some kind of a Hollywood scene according to me, and I don't know what he wants, this Fuzzy Panda, but I cannot understand that why this news is not out there. I mean, why this news is not out there by someone else, or it's being shared by the reporters? Why just with this one report? I like Fuzzy Panda came out of nowhere and claims that the truck came down, rolling down. Okay, guys, I could agree that the workhorse trucks might not be the best. I myself have not driven one, and there might be some accidents, but this could happen to any truck, this could happen to any vehicle. And neither we have seen them driving. We are retail investors. We don't know every bit of performance of any company which we buy. We will go by the numbers and the news, right? And everything about workhorse that we have been noticing or analyzing is pointing towards their stability. So anyways, they claim that this is their trucks are not let's say feasible or not stable. Okay, they also claimed that Fuzzy Panda's report cited information from investigators it sent to two workhorse facilities in September and anonymous sources, including one that it claimed was intimately familiar. So, okay, I agree at some point that they might not have the best resources now to build up these huge number of trucks. But guys, we already know this, and that's why the USPS contract exists. And I guess everyone out there knows this, that they would need a bigger contract, and we have discussed that already. And apart from that, Lordstone Motors promised to help Workhorse if they would get the USPS contract. This is already done and this is already declared by Lordstone Motors. So according to me, guys, this information is a bit bogus. And guys, if Cathie would keep buying this stock for her ARK Invest ETF, which is by the way one of the best ETFs of the century and has outperformed many other famous ETFs in the market out there, and if she sees potential besides all this bogus reports and keeps buying it for every dip, then there is definitely something great behind this company, and I would agree to that. Anyways, guys, I guess every company out there will have a bull and a bear, so it is at last up to us what to believe and who to believe. And thereby, I rest my case. So that's it, guys. I hope you would be really patient with this talk. Let the news come out and let the short squeeze happen, and this stock will rise. So hold, watch, and see, and then plan your exit strategy. That's it. That's all for today. See you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay safe, and ciao.